What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about YouTube handles. Now YouTube have come up with another way of interacting with the people. Now many channels which is the same name, for example, if the name is very popular, for example Salman Khan, there are a lot of Salman Khan which you can find, and whenever you meet any people there will be name as Salman Khan, but the original which you want you will not find it. Similarly, there are a lot of channel which is taking the same exact name and just promoting the stuff. For example, some movie is launching and people just copy the video and post it, so YouTube cannot understand which is the original, which is the copy. They cannot understand, so that's the reason they have come up with the personalized URL. For example, before it was like you have to go and complete 100 subscriber, and if you have 100 subscriber you can go and personalize your URL. So I have already hit the 100 subscriber in my ZealPlex channel, so you can see I have made a personalized URL for it. So it was like YouTube/ZealPlex, so it's automatically been created. My handle is ZealPlex. Now there is one more channel of me which is like 79 subscriber. I have not hit the subscriber of 100. I cannot personalize my URL, so I have got the option of choosing my URL. For example, here it's time to you to choose. So YouTube have given me email like 3 days back. I can go and personalize URL. So I have received. I will click on choose on handle and it is going to lead me to this page. If you don't have like same name exactly you are getting it, you can go and always use username or 123, or you can use underscore to it. They will see you on YouTube short, and they can also mention your @ handle and you will get contacted, which is going to be your handle, and people can interact with you directly. All right, so I'm going to go and I received the email for Nazir Hakim, and I also received the email for ZealPlex. So you can see my ZealPlex is already been done and it is already giving me the personalized handle which is ZealPlex because of the URL which is already been created before. But for this channel it is not 100 subscriber, but they have removed the mark of having 100 subscriber, and directly I can go and personalize my URL. So I'm going to go and select it's time for you to choose your handle. So I'm going to choose my handle, and this is going to be Nazir Hakim. So I want another one. I just want my name, Nazir Hakim, just my name, and I want to confirm select. So as you can see, I have already customized my URL. Now I will get the additional URL is going to be youtube.com/@Nazir Hakim. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to Control V and paste it and hit on enter. So this is the URL which has been created by YouTube, and I just created it personalized. So this is going to be YouTube at Nazir Hakim. So this is my URL and it has been done by me just now. So now my handle is reserved as Nazir Hakim. So whenever I go and put at Nazir Hakim, it is directly going to go and tag me, and wherever the posts are there, and get the comment or whatever you want me to see on my Nazir Hakim. So I have selected my handle. Now it's time for you to go and select your handle and personalize it according to your need. So that's all for this video. I hope you find this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys next time. If any other updates, it's like major update from YouTube. Now anyone will mention your name, it is going to be personalized by you. You can use like if you're already been used number or underscore. So see you guys next time.